So my people, them turn down pan Lady P over RT Boss live not too long ago and deal with her way my people. So she gonna make her talk about Swiss seeing like she has said when she dey on TikTok and she requests Swiss him turn her down. You see me I say? So when you know Lady P nah I did say she are one of the bad mind people them on TikTok. You see me I say it can't hide. So the people them where they on the live turn down pan her and deal with her. Oh yeah my people. So we're gonna kick it off and make gonna hear what I go on.
Have a little percentage of bad mind in our still sis.
Eh?
It's all like you have a little percentage of bad mind.
Me have bad mind, what kind of bad that day that was not bad mind. Me I say, alright, if you can't play a match, hold on. Me I say, if you can't play a match with African, you can't compare a match with me, come here, Jamaican and beg me and beg you want to see match you want him play, get me? The boy declined me so tip, then look down on people. Then look down at people. That's what I sent some Switzerland. When they have viewers, they want to play a match, but you never want 300 people in not a type of fucking request. Yeah. That's what I see with them, and it's just the fact. Me not hate him.
Nah, that's the one something that I use, Judge Switzerland.
Yes, that me use and judge him. I'm sneaking. Yeah. Yeah. If you're Jamaican and me a Jamaican, what is so hard with you playing a match with me? What is so hard with you playing a match with a Jamaican like yourself? Something like that?
Just for your fish.
I fish it too. I'm not bad mind. I'm not begging us just how much me want to play. Just one match with you want to play. Just one match. And then decline it go. Me feel away come here human being. What problem like Switzerland? Nobody problem like Switzerland. Sit there one big opportunist like myself, yeah.
That sucks.
I'm going to roll dog, be careful because I soon go left roll dog again. Him just go and roll dog side because seaside kind of water don't know opportunist. Everybody tell me now, I'm a see it. I see opportunist for sure. Yeah. Anyway, that done now. Come on, nobody screen record me. Me feel how we Me and Jamaican could have played the match with me. The
yeah, but you have to remember that.
Start mute people them.
Lady P, a bad man. You can say a bad man in Ivan the 25,000 what she get. A bad man. You can say bad man in Ivan the 25,000. Your bad man. You're bad man for the 25,000 RT basket for Ivan. You're bad man. He's a bad man.
Sorry, you can't ask Lady P one question. I just want question.
Answer for me, my friend. You're bad man. I kill you.
Lady P, me just want to ask you something. So, me not compare for bash still. Me want to ask you something. Then, if a person don't want to play no match with you, how is it that you're vexed because a person don't want to play a match? Suppose the person just don't want to play any match with you. How is that a problem?
Lady P, and
Lady P, me just want to ask you.
I want to tell you a girl on TikTok. Any day you mention a pit name, all like a
baby.
We say girl like Uno, any day you mention all my family name and my pit name. My auntie are foreign. My auntie are foreign and give what you look for. I'm not bad like that. Me not me the bad girl.
I'm to the dog, man. You up what you say?
Me just want to ask
you ready for Jamaica.
I am saying
ready for Jamaica.
With you. How is it that that's the only you're not you want me to say? I am saying if him don't want to play a match with you, how is it a problem? Because if a person don't want to play a match with you, you can't force them. So that may ask you, how it bother you so much that you just didn't want to play the match with you.
Well, I understand your question, right? You have a good question. You have a good question. However, it's not forcing them. But if you can play a match with everybody else on TikTok, can play a match with all the mad dog them on TikTok, why can't he play one with me, the one time I'm requesting to play with me? That means he looks down on me. And I feel away from that. I say, no, what? I read my side on the boy.
No, I don't must look down, Lady P. I don't must look down. Then suppose you just don't want to play no match. Then you just don't want to play no match today. You can't just accuse him and judge him because of that.
Me a cuss him because he gonna keep it up.
No, your sound, the way your sound now, you sound like you know what message with the
media. Any day on the ramp with nobody for me.
That no make no game, no stick,
me come phone and foreign. Me come see a foreign. Lady P, you stink man. You stink man like dead rat man. You stink like dead rat.
Jesus, another visa, you got a visa.
Lady P, me I see this in Canada. Me not club for foreign. Me I live like rat and puss like America.
I talk so like one country woman.
One at a time.
Stick police, stick patrol.
Lady P, me tell you, say, me will hunt you. Ask any girl about me. Go from my profile, ask any girl. Me will hunt you. Me and Ivani. Me and Ivani. Me and Destiny. Me will hunt you. Because you're born in America. You're not a citizen of America.
You're nothing but a
You're cruff. If you come out and go back to Jamaica, because you're a big cruff, you're bad mind. Bad mind, I kill you. Bad mind, I kill you, John Crow. Shitto, spit tile. Bad mind, I kill you. I can spit.
Don't argue with them, my love. Just
Lady P, so like a lady man.
you're nothing but a pup. You
Lady P, to do man.
And you're the only girl that go a foreign go marry too much time and not get a paper. You're the only girl go a foreign and cruff.
One of the things where the people them always at this Lady P with say she a foreign and don't look like foreign. That's what I say. Me don't know why Lady P no put herself together more while she a come on TikTok. That's what I say. Like Lady P just feel the vibe she go on TikTok and no matter how he look, he just jump on TikTok so. That's what I say. So she go say what she say about Swiss people and the people in on the live never like it. You see me? Them a say she bad mind and you know say she did talk about Ivani and the money where them did get for Ivani and something. And she a say she want money for do this and do that and them a give people money where no want it and them wait it. You see me I say? So when she come say about Swiss a while ago, the people them never like that. So them done her. So I want to tell me one think if Lady P I watch the people them on TikTok and the gift for them I get too much. Let me know when I comment people.
You're the only girl go foreign and cruff. You're the only girl that go foreign and be a cruff. Married to white man and struggle. Hey girl, me na ramp with girl. I shall my brother you ramp with. My aunt you. You fought up your big stinking mama. You fought up your handicapped brother. You fought up your mad brother. You fought up your mad brother.
Don't bother with
You unwanted pick near Jamaica. You unwanted pick near Jamaica. You scumbag pick near Batman at Jamaica. I'm in lock chat with you.
Have some decency about yourself.
Lady, it's my braces. You can buy it. You see this right here?
Cheaper foreign. Cheaper foreign.
Cheap.
It's when you crash with you. It's when you crash with you. The cash that broke your neck. The cash that broke it. After you have a good heart, you have a on the platform. You have a good heart, you have on the platform. Because your bad man have on 25,000 with you. Your bad man feet.
I'm not homeless. Me not
overcome your son, bad man. Overcome a bad man. Crazy bad man. Overcome bad man.
Yeah, that's some of them in my own nice clean apartment, bitch.
Hey, girl, I want the girl that run through the bar, the girl that make you look like a cruff over there. I want the girl that run through the bar, that make you look like a cruff over there. A bad man, the girl that run through the bar, that can a cruff over there. Only the from what we can feel on a cruff over there.
Me not agree with that, dog.
Overcome your annoying and disgusting.
Exactly, she's some bad man. She live in Canada. She said she live in Canada. She's some bad man and corrupt and everything in that one.
Should have broke her neck.
Police, step back your talk. Me can't bad mind. Me I live in a rental. Police, shut your mouth. Cause me can't bad mind. Me can't bad mind.
Speak from a shit pit.
Me can't bad mind. That there in my gym. No, that in my gym. Me a bad mind. When I tell the girl to stop calling woman picking name. When I tell her to stop calling woman picking name. What's your call Syphiline here for?
Do not beat me now.
What you call Siflini for?
Beat me.
Lady P, me until like a macra. Ask any girl about me. Lady P.
Order in the court. Order in the court. Ladies and gentlemen, Lady P is bashing Switzerland and the lady is saying that she's wrong and Lady P says she's not wrong because Switzerland is this and Switzerland is that. Yeah. So that's what they're talking about. Continue.
Yes. Done.
Yes, court. Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Nobody bash the brother.
Understand?
Una want nobody bash the brother.
No,
una want nobody take a liberty to the brother. I want to pick me.
Don't be vibes are fast if he better than people because he have look of views and look of fame. That's what he perceives. That is what I'm perceiving. You get me?
Okay.
That's what I'm perceiving with him.
And
that's what I stand with.
I agree with Lady P because most people agree with Lady P it look like and Lady P a bash Switzerland.
No enough you bash him.
I bash me now. I just say I not like him because he want him better than people too.
No, you're not. Well, no, you're not. You cannot like pick them. You must say you don't like him. Leave the woman pick them. You don't like him with, but don't say you don't like him.
Just say don't like him. Argument done from day one. Cause she said I like him, so I'm to that. She don't like him.
I want him to tell us and play with me. Man, he must say he must not like you with. Nobody don't like feel so.
What? I like him.
RT boss, darling, open.
Wow.
Are you my love? I love you.
Love you
the
too.
lady have her opinion. The lady from Canada have her opinion because free. Yeah, deal with Lady P. So you don't like him.
Man. You don't say you don't like him. You just say you don't like him ways.
You cannot stop me from dislike somebody. You can't blood like me. You can't dislike the boy. How about that?
Somebody said they don't like you. You don't like it?
You can't somebody friend like me.
Hello.
What am I going to do, ball?
People don't talk to you like I can fly to America anytime. RT boss can make you know some of my papers. I'm not struggling and foreign. Nobody with the chicken, just leave that alone.
In my court, I'm a
big deal. We just like the boy.
We're going to book for the summer. We're going to book for the summer over foreign.
I'm also a madman this about, but go back your mother.
Well, I know.
You see my
mother this that. You know,
you kind of please
me live a 314 Meadowview Drive. Apartment 5 blood clot. Come. The guy put the lock up your blood clot. Come.
Make it make sense.
Come, me lock up your blood clot. Get things I'm gonna lick your back. I'll make you beat up pussy clot, you see? You make you beat me and lock up your ass.
Lady P, you feel do better than that, man. You're a big woman. You can't do like this.
I'm not done, man.
Listen, we can't jump on this my blood clot.
Come in like. What if you tell us that you not call a woman pick the name? Because somebody pick the name. Don't call her. Just like a woman with birth a pitney. And they could get a next woman pitney. You must say you don't like him ways, but you can't say you don't like him.
She don't like him person.
No, listen, babe. You can't say you don't like him, but you can't say you don't like him ways. You can't say you don't like him ways, but don't say you don't like him. You have child. You have child. I want thing me I do. Now teach uno me. I go teach uno TikTok again. And everybody uno see uno ramp with. Remember me tell uno today. Me go teach uno TikTok girls and everybody. All right, Lady P. Lady P, go on, man. Go on.
Bad man, the little boy, Lady P. You're bad man, the little boy, and you're wicked man.
I want something that you see have that I don't have.
You're all woman for the little boy. You're bad man, the little boy, and
you're little boy.
you're all woman for the little boy. You're too bad man. Oh, yeah, go bad man, the little boy can no one play with you. Just no one play with you. And the way you're going,
everybody going to play with you.
I don't like him, argument, blood clot.
RT boss, me want to play with.
Someone like the boy want the big deal. Someone like him, you can't force to like somebody.
You didn't give the boy plane ticket money if you go put on. You're too bad man.
You hear me someone begging plane ticket money? You hear me someone you must listen come like you got death. You can't take the blood clot years. You come like all age death you. You come like say all age death your blood clot.
Bad man, because you're not getting the plane ticket money.
Because me not making the money me say. Me want pay one match the money decline the blood clot.
You're not giving nobody money for
you know what I'm playing, just now I'm playing.
He's doing, you're ready to jump down this.
Me never saw him making the money, my love. Me saw him play. Me want
but you don't even know what he was doing.
Everybody
Yo, me don't know if Lady P no think before she talk most of the time, but she always a say some things where make people look on her away. You see me, you can think it but don't say it. You know what I mean? You know if you tell everybody that people are gonna look upon you away. Like say your bad mind, all when you know bad mind, them are gonna look upon you say your bad mind. You see me? Because them are gonna look upon and say, yeah, watch the gift for the people them I get. You see me I say? And me don't feel like she alone, Swiss Lee, no answer a request. You know what I mean? Come on, Lady P, you have to change. And pan a level, me people, remember say, Lady P and Ivan did a friend, you know. And Swiss Lee and Ivan they never good. And Ivan used to diss up Swiss Lee and Earl Dog. So maybe Lady P did a diss up them too. And that's why Swiss Lee now take our request them. You see me I say? So let me know nothing.
Lady P something.
Ask.
Lady P, if the man did play with you, you'd like him?
What I rethink? You understand what I rethink?
What on, don't make me talk. If he did play with you, you'd like him?
What I rethink?
You not rethink?
Yeah,
if you have one blood clot donkey, you need to go brush off your cocky sperms after you braces them you have. You're not ugly, you know. You're zugly, no blood clot. You're zugly, you're not ugly, you're zugly. You're zugly. Move your nasty blood clot and let him boy your bad mind. And you stay bad. You stay bad. You don't need to see my face. You don't need to see my face. Go on my page. You shit up. You brush your shit out of your mouth. Fuck up off a shit sleeve. Monkey. Yeah. You come like the donkey them from over blood clot. Yeah, man. Yeah, man as donkey. Yeah, man as donkey. Yeah, man as donkey. You come like vomit. You vomit. You vomit. You vomit. Lady P, vomit. Bad man, I got to kill you. Germs. You're vomit. You're ugly, no blood clot. You're ugly. What's ugly? What's ugly? You're ugly. You're ugly. You're hot. You're ugly. Your blood clot was wait, y'all. Go you go like your blood clot nice. Go shit pit vomit. Vomit. But what's this sleep? I go your bad man. Your bad man sleep him views. Your bad man because him not play with you. Him not know you.
Yeah.
You are that. You are nothing. Him not know you. Him play with you for. Leave a sleeping blood clot lion. Leave a sleeping lion.
When men
mention remember you leave a sleeping lion, drunk crow, vomit, shit bag. Where you have an ass? Skin a teeth again. I'm not get you up on the price. Go turn back way and sell your body and go buy ticket. Go back, turn your body back way and go buy ticket. Go lick a ass and buy ticket. Go lick a ass and buy ticket. You damn germs. You're germs.
Never that.
Low Sicily. I'm going to book a foreign.
That's a chip off of your tongue. Where now, skinny? Where?
What's the girl like when we're on people picnic? What's the girl like when we're on people picnic to get something to come to you?
Your bad man no blood clot, but Sicily a batty man and him a this and him a that. You ever fuck him?
You ever fuck Sicily?
You ever fuck him? The phone off the Ida fan and can't come back to Jamaica. The phone off the Ida fan and can't come back to Jamaica. Move! Give thanks to RT. Give thanks to RT. Give thanks to RT. Nobody no remember you. Nobody no remember you. You shit up. Where? Go bag your face.
Let me ask the ask question. Stop there.
Bag your face. Bag your face, vomit. Bag your face.
Let me ask him something.
Calm down, Lady P. You know what say?
Me say me not like sweet me not like
He never like you neither. In 8 and 9.
He never like you. He never like you. Sicily never like you. Sicily never like you.
I want to hear me see Lady P a boss, she can't pay her rent, right?
right.
And the people them not give star. These are the reasons why the people them not go give you because all people are gonna give you when you jump out there and disrespect people for no reason. The man not play for
It's not
This is
even
the people
that.
when
It's
a
not
member.
even that.
Shall this is
It's not
the
even
people
that.
when a member.
Somebody
Shall
can
this is
go
the
on
people when a
Facebook and
member.
the woman take a phone and a snap in a phone.
Are you alone,
That's
no
a
dance? Are you
regular.
alone, no dance?
So
Are you
long
alone, no dance? If you never did dance, you
too
have enough
nasty.
education to go look at job to buy your ticket. But
You
dance, are
supposed
you
to be
alone, no
alone.
dance?
You dead
Are you
and
alone can in an apartment? I'm one place for have.
sit in a
Your
phone and a
parents, I'm
snap
one
in a
place for
phone.
have. You can show up here where you
Don't
take
want to
out
give
one blood
you.
clot credit.
You want to not even dollar from
Enough
me.
of where Jamaica live better than Uno.
Mad.
Where? Are you had a long time, big man? Go fix yourself. Go fix yourself. Jordan the bonnet over your face. Jordan the bonnet over your face. The boy no member you. Only love fuck with people when I trouble on us, sir. Only love trouble people when I
You
trouble on
look
us,
like
sir.
when pig put on bracelet. That's what you look
Jordan
like.
the bonnet over your
Mad.
face. You're ugly. You're ugly. Jordan the bonnet over your face. But in the like you, Nina, in the member you. In member blood clot you. Swiss level why you fi clean him toilet. Swiss member you. Swiss member you. Where? 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 You don't fuck beggar, so you are what? You are what we are beg money. Where you are what?
Mad.
Where you
Them
are
are
what
two
we want
white
to join the
madman
match?
now.
You are what we want to join the match. You beg money to buy ticket. You are what? You are what? You was a blood clot beggar. You better you did a beg. You better you did a beg. You was a beggar. You was a beggar. You better you did a beg. Me say it better you did a beg. You better you did a beg. And people see your face, them gonna never want to give. Glad for blood clot RT boss platform shit off. Shit up. Still no want you. Still no want you. Still no want you. But sister I do with you. Not even sister tight you can't clean. Not even sister tight you can't clean with your tongue.
But she has to
Yo, Lady P have to just learn to love the TikTok of them. You see me I say, it nah happen for you up on TikTok, Lady P. You have to just know, say, I saw it go, and everybody I go get the whole heap and gift them and them something there. You have a name on TikTok. You see me I say, just hold that. It come like you gifting them now go work out for you. So you have to just build. And system now go on, you know what I mean? Although TikTok are for everybody. Swissly them now go really link with nobody where this them up on them way there and them a go link with the bigger people them where them a go get bigger gift when them and them the people there do them thing. You see me I say? So Lady P have to just know say I saw it go. You see me? So make a watch some more people. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
But yet still you want to play match with you. Yet still you want to play match with you. You shit house. Shit house like a babbit. Everybody in the chat type one Swiss. One Swiss league. Go ahead, go ahead.
one
One Lady P. Go crepe slime off for your tongue with one bread knife. Go crepe slime off for your tongue with one bread knife. Go crepe slime off for your tongue with one bread knife.
Wanna stop arguing with Lady P and Lady P. Stop arguing with her, Karma come fear, man. Karma. Me the only girl go teach you a lesson of America. Me go teach you something of America. Remember me come on to you. Remember me tell you that.
One blood clot Swissly. One Swissly.
Usually Swissly alone. Remember me tell you.
Never frightened so yet. People are gonna eat people because them not play match with them for them get tickets. I make your blood clot hungry and can't pay your bills them. And you make your hungry and can't pay your bills them.
But in a say where they share mode of RT Bass, RT Bass, Steve 25,000. I know say for RT Bass
A true
platform.
RT have good art. Make him put you in the A true RT have good. Move your blood clot and go. I was spitting on your face and blind you.
Me just spit in your face first, bitch.
You spit by your phone. You spit by your phone. You spit by your phone. You spit by your phone.
Style you. RT Boss, you're good.
You spit by your phone.
Are you me spit pan there, yeah, boy?
All termite. All termite. You know, look different after I donkey them. I came and a shock of blood.
No, this is not with you.
In your teeth again.
Una love class up you pick.
In your teeth again. In your teeth again. This slime a drop off of your tongue. Slime a drop off of your tongue, girl.
Where up on your profile picture is the blood clot donkey.
Slime a drop off of your tongue. If you're nicer, you don't have to beg for plane ticket. If you're nicer, you don't have to plane ticket. You don't have to beg for plane ticket if you're nicer. And you don't have to beg nobody to pay your rent.
Intermission.
Guys,
mute. Everybody mute.
Remember me. Follow this page. Just so you find the court case in the
I
world.
Socrates.
All right,
Bad man, lady P, mute. Mute, bad man, lady P, mute.
Marcy, we can't sit down here and entertain and them not send no gift now.
Hello, send gifts now.
All right, hold on 1 minute. Let me call.
I think I will get 2 gifts.
Blaine.
Marcy,
What going with Lady P over here?
why me say them a tear down bad.
Who are? What she do?
She don't like Sicily, my love.
So what you think about it?
Why? She can't so sure to say I'm not nothing against that because I don't like enough people either.
All right, let's go. Me don't really agree with you when you say true, if not play with you, you have him up for the ticket. That's not like bad mind though, you know. Lady.
Bad mind, can you also 25,000 man ball.
Same so.
RT,
same so bad mind.
I'm
gonna do if you are baby.
Accept my match yet, so it's not just to play ticket time alone.
So why not play with you?
Yeah, but okay, then, so you're in your feelings.
Just a feel to play with you.
In your feelings.
It takes time and build up, RT, so it's not just one time.
Feelings. So you're in your
See, one
feelings.
time you told lie. You see, one time you send him
You say one
Lady P have respect. Lady P have respect. Let's have respect.
You cannot respect them. Respect blood.
It's the man that want to play with you. Why you want to? You don't want to play with
Lady P are ready. You're nobody not be ready.
Respect, bitch.
Your bad mind. You look at you for your bad mind. Seriously. Bad mind is because you couldn't get the man to play with you because the man don't want to play with you. The man in nothing with you.
That is not bad mind, miss. If a person like somebody because they don't want to accept them.
Because you never get the plane ticket.
It's not just the plane ticket alone. It's more than the plane
But you see
ticket,
the man that play with the African, them and the African, them I get them things. Cause him like the African.
Okay, so what's the difference between African and me? We are Jamaican. If him can't play with African, why can't play with me?
What Jamaican have to do with it?
If he can't play with African, why
your
can't play with
reputation on the
me?
internet.
You can't play with comfortable.
You know, me look pan. Yes, me look pan.
with
Auntie, we at the auntie. You know, me look pan. Them girls, we say them are media people, love call people pick the name. And when girl touch for them people, them girls, people love call people pick the name. And when girl, hey girl, me I tell you something, man. I mean I play with girl, man. I don't ever make a man go for your brother, man. Make a man go for your brother, man.
Baby love, you don't send them going for them, and me I send them for. For them out to blood clot. You're gonna say me I send them for.
No, but you don't like somebody
all them mad brother we are dead for hungry down there. All them mad brother we are dead for hungry down there. Now play with me, girl. Cause no see people don't ramp with people. Now play with me.
And me I send them for. You're gonna come.
You don't like somebody that don't like your son.
Well,
No, but
Lady P, what's this do you that's like because we don't play much with you, Lady P?
on the internet play, somebody don't want to play with it.
Because we don't play much with you, that's why you don't like him.
That's not right, man.
We're gonna talk give pan this year, darling, please.
Who else? What you saying now, sweetie?
I saying because Swisley do not pay a match with you, that's why you don't like him.
All right, so I'm gonna summarize it for you, sweetheart. So I've been on TikTok 2 years, right? And from I've been on TikTok, I've been sending Swisley requests. And sometimes when I send requests, him not play a match, you know. He might look for who to play a match with. They get me come here and watch him on my next account, and he might say, guys, tell this person to come play with me. And me I said, no man. Then if he want to play a match on me, I send request over 1 year now, 2 years, and he can't accept my request. That means the boy don't like me. That means he look down
Like
bad.
guy am mad.
That don't mean it's
You're
like
mad.
you
don't like
but
you.
you don't feel comfortable playing with you. You can't blame him.
Yeah, you know, playing up just feel comfortable playing with you.
He probably don't feel comfortable to play with you. Because Sweet is a humble person. So maybe you don't feel comfortable to play with you.
Let's shit up. Let's shit up.
Sure. Yeah, so it's like, all right, what I summarize with Swisley, right? Swisley see me can look down and we want look down pan. You get me? Because nothing is wrong for you to accept a match. First of all, me and Swisley play a match one time with me, Swisley and Roll Dog. You get me? Me not even talk to Swisley. It was just about the match. Some people, they know who run joke with. Some people know just say, I just match alone, you go on. You get me? Swisley is coming, so me not really talk up to Swisley like that. You get me? I just strictly match it would be. So it's not like say him play one match, you know what time I cuss him and I talk to him and I flirt to him. No, it was nothing like that. It was just him judging me based on my social media platform or me be on social media. Which
That's
you
why I wouldn't
in
want
a
to
social
play
media,
with
me in a
you.
social
But
media.
probably that's why he don't want to play with you. That's why.
That how good as why. You saw me I say what the people them I say just now because Swisley is a youth where him no want in the mix up and Lady P is all about the mix up and them way there. So maybe that are the reason why him no want really, you know what I mean, link with Lady P certain way. So Lady P have to know say yo I saw Swisley is there. You know what I mean? You can't I say because him no want link with you. Well him look down him not have to look down upon your face. You know what I mean? If you don't want him just no want in the mix up and them something there. So maybe that are the reason why. You see me? You have to just know say you see oh what you put out there other people I go pre you. You know what I mean? Over. So I just saw it go.
It's about energy.
I can't
It's
call them
about
now listen, you
energy.
get me?
Well,
Your
stick up
energy
in,
is
stick up
not
in.
great
I'm
for
here
you,
talking, I'm here
okay?
talking, I'm not done
So
talking
don't
now.
take it personal.
Hold on a
Hold
second,
on, I'm
because
still talking.
all
I'm
right, go
still
ahead.
Because
talking.
you want to spit and poop in a phone
So what
and
I'm
Hold
all
saying
on,
that.
now,
let
So
me
don't
talk,
play
let
with
me
you.
Augustine.
talk,
What I'm
Come
let
on,
me
saying
man.
is,
talk,
Do
if
better,
I've
man,
been
and
sending you
stop.
requests
Stop
over
the you
10
don't
years
let me
like
now,
talk,
right?
hate
let me
this.
talk,
Bitch, me still
Man.
talk. All right,
make it talk.
Augustine. If I've been playing Rich, if I've been sending you requests for 2 years now, right? And you play with me one time, me, you and Roldan and somebody's play one time. And
Yeah,
through the
Lady
one
P, I
time that we
can't speak, you
played,
know.
I never
Thing I like
talked to you.
sissy.
I did not
Hold on,
flirt
let
with
me
you.
talk.
I did not. Hold on, now, how the bumper clock? Yeah, I did not flirt with you. I did not talk up to you. It was all about the match. So why, when I was in need and I said, guys, ask Fitzy to come play one match with me, please. Why did he could not play? Why he could not play the match that one time with me? If when they explain to me, I said, Swisley, just come play with her, man, because she really want to help. Why could not come play the match that one time with me? Because what
But
he used my social media
No,
personally.
but if you continue to play with him, you can't go want when you're in need, you go play with him. You come and go use him.
You are right.
Everybody,
She
Me not come like I use him because if it's only when you want to help, you go come to me and say, me to play with him. Me not go play with you, period.
Hold on. It's not
one
just
at a
once.
time.
I have been sending requests for 2 years now. 2 years. You get me? But the one time
But
I
you
was
say play one time with him.
help, I thought that he would really answer that one time for me. You get me? I'm here
All
for
right.
hold on. Him played everybody else on TikTok. So what the problem? So
But you not say play one time with you.
are you guys hearing me?
But hold on
So me
there.
I say it's like a me, him definitely no one player to get me. So me I say, okay, then Sissy team, you're not better than me. Let me tell you something. Not because you have fame and because you have viewers, you're not better than nobody. Not because I compare to
Nobody no better than nobody.
Lady P, that is not the point. Lady P, listen.
You were cuss around because them stuck. You were cuss and saying I come back from TikTok.
Lady P, if me have a friend, listen. If I have a friend and I play with that person one time and I don't play with the person the next time, or if I do something for the person, and then the person, after I do something for the person don't get where he get. The person will check for me, the person will come on me. I don't go when you're in need, you go want me for me. Never do it. Me never do it now. Can use me.
The one time that we played match, it was not an is according, but it was like a 4-way match where them just look at third party and I was that third party. So it's not like somebody sent my request. No. That was the first time that we played match together. You get me? Triple play with me. I just switch me alone. I always reject my fucking request. I'm not like it.
Hold on, Lady P. But you can't say him look down.
Play with me. Triple P, you want to because them play match with me. Roger, one person alone now play match with me. I was a required me. It's fucking Swiss. Because you know what?
Let me get this across. But stop it, man.
I cannot stop a person from dislike me just like how me dislike people also. Me not like Swissy and a big and a crime. Is it a crime?
Boy never come and say don't like you.
Me don't care about the partner. I like him and the argument done.
You have
something. Can I ask you
somebody so much I know like
you neither. Nobody like your pity when you go like a Lego piece of Jamaica.
Because suck your mother. You can't talk about my blood clot.
If you have no mother, you pick the Lego like a Lego piece. You pick the Lego like a Lego piece.
I that me not like with them people here more while. All them gone at the woman youth for. I talk about the woman youth. Them people you need for low people, youth out of them cussing. Me not like that. The least thing you and a person a cuss, you bring them. Oh, she know about the woman youth and how him walk on with him at Jamaica. Them for low the woman youth out of them mix up and sitting bridging. You see me I say? But lady P have to know say you have some people where different in our way and Switzerland is a type of youth where him different. Well, whatever she wants say about him, I feel her opinion that is what I say. But maybe the way she a pray him not pray that. Is it him just no one in the mix up and him know say maybe Lady P or maybe him feel like say Lady P no really dep on him level certain way, so that's why him no want. You know what I mean? If I saw him feel still, him can't pray them way there. You see me I say? But I don't know how him a pray, so I can't say. You know what I mean? So I make watch some more my people. I soon end it. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
Can you give me a chance to ask Lady P a question?
You see a monkey pay blood clot for one scream because suck her out. You're bright no blood clot.
Lady P, me can ask you a question.
You see a monkey not pay for one scream because suck her. And this is blood clot. This is a bright bitch. You out of blood clot.
Lady P.
With a blood clot, mongrel shit out for a blood clot.
Lady P, and my granddaughter get right with it. Lady P, me swear from my mother life. Me go hunt you. Lady P, me I go hunt you. Me I come and know with America fear, Lady P. All right, Lady P, come in on my body now. I see all the family a whole over. All right, Lady P.
Make your way around down.
Lady P, no ask you a question, Lady P.
You're too blood clot.
Lady P, no ask you a question.
Oh my pity get involved in the Swiss argument. Oh my child get involved in Swiss argument.
Lady P, like how me say so, like how you say you don't like Swiss because him don't answer you.
When you come to your grandfather, so your granddaughter, why your problem? You're too unfair.
Like how you say, Lady P. Like how you say, you don't like Swiss because he don't accept you. He don't accept your match, and you don't like him because he don't accept your match, right? So look for me now. Me is a beggar on TikTok, right? And me take Swiss and I ask him to help me fix my shop and he read and don't answer. You think me can't hate the man for that? Me can't hate him for that, Lady P. But when me I say no, me want to ask you a serious question now. Me want to know which part in the direction you name this so me can go look for you. Because you look like you're more important than anybody else. Which part in the direction you name them, ma'am?
You cannot compare yourself with rankers and beggar. You're a beggar. Look a job, miss. Simple.
No.
No, Lady P, but me I tell you say you hate him because him don't accept your match. Look power you, look on that. Eh? Lady P, you can't hate a person through them don't want to play with you.
I'm a celebrity, I'm a star. Who are you?
But Lady P is not nobody, Lady P. Which part in the direction you name there? You're not star, you're not shit house. Which part in the direction you name there, Lady P? Which part in the direction you name there? Lady P, you know big like one jackfruit.
I'm a celebrity.
You're not a celebrity. You want some slap in your face. Lady P, you're too disgusting. Lady P, you're too disgusting. You must stop it. Whether you have 100 players, 100 players, Lady P, you can't get somebody because they don't want to play with you. Which part for your star? Eh? Show up, you don't own nothing. Right now, rent house and start living in your own house. You're not in no house. Lady, your nose big like a sweet pepper. Lady, your face favor pocket crutches. Lady, you're not nobody. You're not nobody. That's why the one know I play with you. You're not nobody. Which part in the direction name there? Which part in the direction name the lady? You're not a star, lady. That's why man don't want to play with you. The man don't want to play with you, lady.
Google seat come
I
up.
play
Anybody name can come up and Google. Little players are idiot. You know no sense. Your nose big like sweet pepper.
I want blow my nose near your ball.
You don't have no sense. You're stupid.
Alright, my people. So right here, so I end it. Want to tell me what you think in the comments. Cause them in them cussing and them a bring the youth them in the cussing. Other part them in a like still. You see me I say? But Lady P have to really know say and everybody are gonna link with she, so she have to just keep with who are link with her and just know say I said go. You see me I say? So let me know what you think with people, alright, so me I in it.